welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole Tiffany. Today I'm going to be doing a video on everything I bought this month beauty related. The first thing that I'm really excited about is my new Colourpop stuff. I ordered it a few weeks ago. It came in the mail. I've opened it a little bit, but I have not used it. So it comes in the Colourpop box and it comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh no, this one came out. This little one is the Ooh La La palette. It was in its own bubble wrap, but it came out. And then I got two mega palettes from Colourpop. They each come in their own bubble wrapped package. The first one that I got is Rock Candy. This is the box. It has this nice little texture. This is the palette. It comes with this film over the shadows, which is kind of nice. I really wanted to get some new eyeshadow palettes, and I really like Colourpop, so I wanted to get them while they were on sale because these were 30% off. Now the thing I noticed is the Mega palette doesn't have a Mega mirror, which is okay. I don't need a mirror on it, but that's something to take note of. The Stone Cold Fox palette also has a cool texture to it. Take this out. This is the palette. It also has that film protecting the shadows that fell out as well. Here's a look at these shadows. Really nice. This black is so black. It's cool. I can't wait to use these. Again, no mirror, but that is okay. And then this little Ooh La La palette, this came in this bubble wrap as well. But as you saw earlier, it fell out. Here is the palette. Oh. It comes with this little kind of protector on it. I really wanted this because I wanted these cool pink colors. Most specifically that middle one. This does have a mirror on it. It has a little film here, you just peel it off. So these are, sorry, my dogs. So these are the 3 Colourpop palettes that I got. So that's Colourpop. The next stuff that I want to show you that I got is from Ulta. It is body butters. I got 4 of them. Where is it? I got 4 of them. One of them is at my job, so I don't have it with me to show you, but I will show you the ones I did get. The first one I got is the Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Body Butter. I did open these. I haven't really used them yet. Sorry, my dog's barking. This is what it looks like. And it smells like pineapple, kind of fruity. It's nice. The second one that I'm going to show you is this little mini travel body butter. It is called Cake Butter, and it is made by Sugar Rush. Comes in this cute little purple packaging with a nice Tiffany blue lid. And it comes with a protector on it. So just pop that off. This is what it looks like. It's a nice pink, light pink color. It's really nice. I like this one. This is my favorite one. It smells so good. It smells kind of like fruity with like a hint of vanilla. It's really nice. I like this one a lot, and I like that you can take it with you because it's a small little travel size. And then this next one that I got is the unicorn. It's by Truly. It's unicorn CBD whipped body butter, soothe and glow. So this is what the packaging is. It's so pretty. Purple, pink, green. It is called unicorn, so it is kind of appealing to the eye, and it has this nice gold looking top. And this has 300 milligrams of CBD, matcha, cannabis sativa, acai, and collagen boost. It's also vegan, clean, high performing, and animal cruelty free, which is a pretty big thing to me. So this is really cool. It was a little bit on the higher price end, but that's okay. It kind of smells like I don't know how to describe it. It's sweet but clean. This is what it looks like. I did use it a little bit. It was really pretty, like you can see over here. Kind of has that whipped look to it. But I used it. And the reason I wanted to get this was because I'm learning how to golf. And my hand really hurt me. So I wanted to see if it would help. And it kind of did, actually. It did make the pain kind of go away. So that is the Ulta lotions. And I got another one, like I said, it's at my job. It was the Tropical Smoothie. And that's actually my least favorite. I read the reviews, and I think somebody said it smelled like pineapple and very fruity and like bright. I didn't really find that. I thought it was kind of more like baby powder, which I'm not a huge fan of. I do like that coconut, like very fruity smell. So it's okay. It's not my favorite, but I don't have that one with me. It is Smoothie, Tropical Smoothie, I think it's called. So now I do get some of my stuff from Amazon, makeup and such, and I do tend to buy off brands sometimes. I bought this off brand. It's called Miss Rose Professional Makeup Blush Palette, and let me tell you, I love it. This is like, out of every blush I've ever owned, I think this palette for like $10, and it came with a blush brush, is my favorite blush I've ever used. This is the little brush it came with. It's cute little marble brush. The hairs on it do fall out. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but there's little hairs that are falling out of it. But sorry, my dog again. But these colors are just so nice. So I also got some other stuff on Amazon. I got these little brush cleaners, 2 of them for maybe $8. They're just this little like sponge. It's a sponge, and it removes color from your eyeshadow brushes. I've always wanted these, so I've got 2. And I also got from Amazon, these are not off-brand, these are Nyx, but the Nyx Eyeliners. I got them in a few different colors. Some I opened, some I have not yet. So this is the purple. I got green. I've been wearing this a lot. White. Gold, like bronze. Silver. Black. Did I get 2 blacks? Yeah, I did. I also got the NYX liquid eyeliner. This is the Epic Ink liner, and I'm wearing it right now. I used to use the That's the Point liner, and as you can see, this packaging is a little thicker on the Epic Ink liner, and I like it better. So this is the That's the Point. I'll do a little line. It ran out kind of, but that's the point. And then this is the new one that I got that I absolutely love, the Epic Ink liner. It might not look that different, but this is way more precise, and the fact that it has a thicker packaging, it's easier to hold and easier to draw wings. So that's also some stuff I got on Amazon. The last purchase of the month that I wanted to show you guys is Sephora. A Sephora opened up right by my house yesterday. So I went today. And I've got some goodies. I've been wanting this for years. I've just never bought it. Again, a lotion. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I got the mini one. Oh, there's a protector on it. It smells so good. It smells like a vanilla coconut, pineapple maybe. It's this nice whipped. Is it a whipped body butter? It's a body cream. And this one, it says it helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. So I will be trying this. I really like it just for the smell, but we can see if it works too. Then, at the checkout, you know how they have those little travel size things when you're waiting in line? I got just a Sephora eye pencil to go, so it's a travel pencil. I'll keep this in my bag just in case I ever need a touch up. So that was like a last minute purchase. I also got my first ever Fenty Beauty purchase, but I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb. The Gloss Bomb in the shade Sweet Mouth. I'll open this up. Ooh, nice little packaging. Thought this was really, really pretty. I swatched a few of the colors at Sephora, and I always really like a nude lip, a little bit of a shimmer, and this really hit home for me. And then the last thing that I got, I don't know if this was on the little aisle by the checkout also, or if I just saw this walking up to the checkout and just grabbed it. But this is the Too Faced Lip Injection, the Icons. So this has 2 of the Too Faced lip plumpers in it. It has the Lip Injection Maximum Plump and the Lip Injection Extreme. So it's the duo. I am going to be doing a look. Well, not a look, but I'm going to be trying these out in another video for you guys to tell you just how good they work. So, I hope you guys liked this monthly beauty haul. I would love to do my shoe collection and some clothing hauls, and maybe I'll do a monthly beauty haul every month to show you guys what I bought for the month of April 2022. This is what I've got. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below, like this video, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thanks!